This video will go over how to install the NorthHitch part number X7906 for your Chevy 25 or 3500. This front-mounted hitch increases your truck's capabilities by allowing you to attach anything from a snowplow to a bike rack. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, this hitch is powder-coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. Begin by using a 15mm socket to remove the bolts that hold the plastic rock deflector and set it aside. Remove the bolts holding the toe rings to the frame using an 18mm socket and wrench. Remove the toe rings. If equipped, remove the rivets from the plastic license plate bracket. After the plastic license plate bracket has been removed, use the measurements as shown in the instructions to trim out 2 holes using a 4-inch hole saw. Trim out the section between the 2 holes using a sharp razor blade or similar tool to complete your cutout panel. Feed the coiled end of a bolt fisher through the square hole on the inside of the frame and out through the front of the frame. Attach a bolt and hardware with a center hole plate washer to the bolt fisher. Leave the hardware in the opening of the frame and the other side of the bolt fisher protruding through the hole. Repeat for both sides of the frame. Raise the front hitch up between the frame rails. Place the tail end of the bolt fisher through the rearmost hole on the side of each plate. Then pull the hardware through the frame and out of the rear side plate hole. Attach hardware on the threaded end of the bolt and tighten it, repeating on the opposite side as well. Place 1 bolt and the appropriate hardware through the opening of the frame and out of the rear slot in the side plate. Torque all the bolts to the specifications laid out in the instructions. Reinstall the plastic rock deflector with the factory hardware. Slide the license plate bracket into the hitch receiver until it stops. Your installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.